सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे श्रेया कंप्यूटर चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए। Friends, my name is Shyam and you are watching Shreya Computer Tech Channel. So friends, today I am going to tell about you how to install TWRP with Magisk root access on Lenovo K8 Plus. So let's get started friends. First of all, we have to go to Lenovo K8 Plus folder, and here three files which are both are important for installation. First one of the ADB folder, second Magisk, third one TWRP. These three files are found in the description. You may download it. So friends, first of all we copy Magisk file into micro SD card or phone memory. For do these three things, it has very necessary to do unlock bootloader and enable developer option. After enable developer option, we need to go then command prompt. So friends, after enable the developer version, we need to start this phone into fastboot mode. So first of all, switch off your phone. After switch off your phone, then connect your phone into fastboot mode by pressing volume down and power button. It will boot into fastboot mode. Then connect this phone to your PC via USB cable. When your phone is connected to PC, the ADB drivers has automatically installed in your PC. Then we go to flash latest TWRP. I will give you in description. You may download this. Copy this TWRP into ADB folder. After copy, you have to rename it like recovery.img. After you renamed it, then open command prompt by pressing Shift+Cntrl and mouse right click. Then select open command prompt. When it is opened, then type command fastboot devices. It will show your connected phone. Then type command fastboot flash recovery.img. Fastboot flash recovery.img. Then simple press enter. It will install TWRP. Then we have to going into login TWRP mode. Let's type the command fastboot boot recovery.fastboot boot recovery.img. Then simply hit enter. It will automatically boots to your phone into TWRP mode. See friends, my phone logged into TWRP. After successfully install TWRP in your Lenovo K8 Plus, then select install. In install we have seen as the Magisk file. Simply select this file when it was opened and simply swipe it right to install. It will take mostly 10 seconds. After installation, then wipe your temporary data by pressing wipe cache option. It will show like this type and simply swipe right side. Then it will and press reboot system and system. This is very simple. Friends, if you like this video, please press on like button and subscribe our channel